Tap Essentials video is going over how to do a flap heel turn. There are two components to the flap heel turn, a flap and a heel drop while rotating. Make 3 beats or sounds. Do 2 flap heel turns to complete 1 full rotation. Time to practice it. Try going faster. One more time, even faster. Try doing the same thing on the other side. Practice time. Speed it up. And one more time, even faster. Yes, as you can tell by the green background, I have moved again. I'm a bit of a nomad lately, so right now I'm staying at an Airbnb for a little bit while I wait to get my situation all in order so I can travel to London. I'm hoping by the time you see me next, I will be in my new apartment in London, starting school in another week. It'll be fun. If you're interested, I'm going to be doing a master's program in dance movement psychotherapy. So this will be interesting and fun. Plus it's London, and I got to visit London last year and it was pretty awesome. So I'm looking forward to exploring even more, and really excited that it's really close to go to Paris